What's up, guys? We all know why you clicked on this video. You really want Fusion on Bonelab? I got you. Okay, first of all, you need to go ahead, search up melon. No, not melon. Lemon loader. Right, you go into here. You go into this one. Scroll down. Releases. Plus one release. Get this one. Now, once you have that installed, you probably you can use Mobile Viewer Station or CX File Explorer. Okay. Now, if you don't have CX File Explorer, you can go on Mobile Viewer Station. And yeah, okay, by the way, yeah, this is the website. If you want to go on it, just doing this. But it would be better if you just search up Mountain Loader and do what I just did. But anyways, now you press go on a new one, and you want CX File Explorer. Search up CX File Explorer. And then APK Pure. Let's verify you. Alright, and then press download APK, and then if this still load, I didn't press it yet though. Press download APK, it should disappear, that's normal. Then you scroll down, press download APK again, it should download. Now, if you need to download it through Mobile Viewer Station, I hope you know what to do, but in case if you don't, here's how to do it. So let me just load into Mobile Viewer Station. Okay, so you would want to go to Configuration Wizard, Show All Options, Configure Manage All Files, Open Files All. This thing will show, I don't know if it's showing for you right now, and then you would see CX File Explorer. You press on it, and it's you press continue if you haven't already, or just allow sources from this, and then install it. And then when it says done, when it says like finish installing, you can just open it. Really doesn't matter. You can press done too, and it should look like this, or it doesn't have to look like a square. It could just be like that. But now that you have CX File Explorer, you're gonna want ZArchiver. ZArchiver is needed for this. So ZArchiver like that. Just okay. apkpure.net. I know we're gonna probably do a lot of APK Pure for this, but yeah, it's okay. Scroll down, download APK, click off the ad. Just wait. If it doesn't download, just restart. So you download it for me. You can't see it though, because it doesn't like to show what I download, but that's okay. So now that you have that, and then you don't need Mobile Viewer Station anymore, because it's kind of pointless now. So you can go to CX File Explorer, downloads, and you should see ZArchiver. You just download it from there. And then, now that you have ZArchiver, next, what you want to do is you want to go into ZArchiver, and before you patch, you want to go to Android, OBB, and then if it says access is denied, look for another tutorial, because I don't have enough time to do that. But if it doesn't, you're in luck. You don't have to go to another tutorial. You look for stresslevel0.bonelab, hold on to it, rename, and then press on it so it doesn't like select all and delete it, all of it. And then like when you press on it, you press Q and you press OK. See, I'm just gonna press cancel because I've already done it, but you don't have to press cancel. You just gotta press OK. Now it's just calling it stresslevel0.bonelab Q, right? Now that it says that, you can actually close out of ZArchiver or just minimize it right now. Then you can actually go to Mountain Loader Installer, allow all the permissions it wants you to. Next, after you allowed all the permissions, you look for stresslevel0.bonelab. Okay. And then you patch it. When it's finished patching, don't go in it yet, because when it's finished patching, what we gotta do now is you can close that ZArchiver and maybe just research your ZArchiver like that. Then go to Android, OBB, and then remove the queue from there. Now that you remove the queue, you want to go ahead and open your Bonelab, and then when you fully load in, close immediately. And now, like after you should have done that, then you want to go. No, you need to check this. Is your cover? You should have a file that says mountain loader, and just lose your Bonelab, then you'll have this. Okay. So what you want to do now? You close this. You're gonna go to Thunderstore Mod Assistant. Sorry if I speak really fast. No, not Thunderstore Mod Assistant, just Thunderstore. Sorry. And then Thunderstore.io. It will take you to a game called Risk of Rain 2, but you don't want to do that. You just want to go to communities at the top, view all communities, and then Bonelab. Right here. Now, you want to download Bonelab because all the code mods use this, okay? And then manual download. See, you don't need to do what I'm about to do, but I need to check if I still have the zip files. Oh, yeah, I don't. So that's good. So you want to press manual download. It should pop up right there. And then when it's finished downloading, you're gonna go download. Look for the thing you just downloaded. See? And then view. Copy these two by pressing both, specifically the file icon, then holding on to here and pressing copy. Now that you press copy, you want to press the two dots, then melon loader, ZArchiver Bonelab, and you want to paste it into here by pressing clipboard. See, I'm not going to press the clipboard because I already done this. But yeah, and then you should paste it into there. Now that you got Bonelab, you have literally have your code mods now. But I should have, don't click off the video. I should have told you guys this, but this does remove all your data. I know, it's sad. So what you want to do, if you want a lot of data back, or no, not your data back, but just save, because it removes all your your saves and stuff. So close the archiver. You go to mod.io, open game portal. If you're not logged in, just go ahead and log in. And then now that you've done that, I'm just going to recently added, but you don't need to. And then you want to go type in just 100%, like that. Okay, I'm just gonna do trending. Then by Raiden MG from in its patch 6 has everything. You don't want to subscribe. You actually want to scroll down and then press download file. Alright, once you downloaded it, you can close out of that. Reopen ZArchiver. Go to download. Go ahead and find the save that you just downloaded right here and view. And you want to copy this by doing this. Now that you've done that, you want to press the two dots, then Android, data, and then next you want to go to ZArchiver Bonelab, files, and saves. Now you should only have one save in here. Even though you already have a save, I have a bunch of saves. I don't know why, but yeah, you should only have one save. Okay. Now, you want to paste in it, even though you already have a save, and then now that you have two saves in there, the one that was already in there, not the slot 0 save, but the one that was already in there, you want to delete, so that way you have slot 0 save, which is only one save. Now that you've done that, you have your code mods. But if you want, I can also, so you can click on this video now, but if you want to know how to get code mods really, really easily, here's what you gotta do. So first, you go back on Thunderstore. I'm just gonna use my history, and you guys can use your history too, because you went on there. Thunderstore.io. And then, go back. Oh wait, hold on. Sorry guys, I'm just too lazy to type. Okay. Lab. Okay, now What you probably so the thing is Thunderstore. Mod. Just type in Thunderstore and you'll find it. And where is it? Thunderstore mod assisted by not swipes. I'm gonna click on it and then manual download. Now that you manually download it, you get a ZArchiver. Just restart your ZArchiver. Alright, now that you just downloaded, nope, not it. Here we go. View and copy both of these. Now press the 2 dots. Downloader is and paste it in. Alright, now that you paste it in, you should have it in there. You have your code mods. Load in, you have a dev save, you have some cool dev avatars. And yeah, there's your code mods. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial how to set up standalone Fusion without any Steam VR. Anyways, bye.